Hello, this is Gregory Green, manager of Dr. Doris NLP and Conscious Solutions. I'd like to speak briefly about our 2-day Emotional Intelligence Foundations program. Whether you are a psychologist, mental health worker, therapist, coach, trainer, or even an HR manager, this 2-day program gives you skills, tools, and practical techniques to assist others with establishing emotional boundaries, being able to identify core wounds that are existing, which may be held from years back. Notice within yourself and others when you are a leaky cell and how to communicate and make one aware of this, and also being able to step into the other's position of authority, whether it be a significant other, a family member, or a coworker. This program gives you practical tools, not theory, that you will walk away from in 2 days. Looking forward to seeing you soon. www.drdorisnlp.com.